What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, how you ain't doing? Today, I got 3 boxes for us to check out. One of those is going to be a designer shoe. 2 of those are going to be a pair of Jordans, and I believe it's going to be the same Jordan, just in 2 different sizes. We're going to check them out. We're going to see what's in them, and I think there may even be a surprise item in one of them. But while I'm busting this open, make sure you're popping down in the description on your way there. Hit the like button. But down in the description is the link over to my Discord, which you can contact me. You can chat with other people who are maybe after shoes just like you are. And you can build your knowledge base on how to, save some money and get the stuff you want so you can build a collection just like I've built this one sitting right behind me. This one came really, really nice in a double box, looking good. And off the rip, it looks like this is gonna be that Balenciaga. Flawless departure right there. Speaking of not slow flawless departures, hopefully no one got stuck at the elevator during the Microsoft crash thing. That was not very cool. Balenciaga dust bag, folded, pressed, looks amazing. Got this Balenciaga tissue paper. Came with 2 little Cincy things just to keep it safe on its travel. This is going to be the newer Balenciaga strap sandal. This one is going to be Velcro as well. I did get the all white. Make sure nothing else. Just so much tissue paper always in the Balenciaga boxes. Got the ID right here. Make sure nothing else is in here. Got this Balenciaga card. Just as the sizing guide. Very cool. Shut the box. Let's check her out. Keep it about right here. Right there. All right. So nylon is kind of what these straps are made out of. It actually reminds me of my Levi cargo pants that I have. It has the same kind of knit cross weave pattern, if you can see it in there. Try to get it real close. So very, very durable. I bet this fabric is not going to rip or tear. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, these are really, really nice, to be honest. So does have this strap for your outer side of your foot, but then if you look on the inside, it's going to be open. And I did get these in an EU40, so these are definitely not going to fit me, otherwise I'd show you. But really good elasticity here in the sole. Man, these are really nice. They are Balenciaga, so if you've ever handled one, if you've ever felt one in your hand, there is a little bit of weight to it, and even for a sandal, this thing is like, it's got a little bit of weight to it, but that just ensures that your feet's going to be safe. One thing I really like about Balenciaga sandals is it has this really big rim around your toes, so you don't have to worry about kicking anything, or even if you do kick something, your toes are going to be pretty well protected. So that is nice. It does have the ability to cinch down at the toe, so if you prefer it tighter at the toe and looser at the top, you can do that. And it does have a heel strap as well, so if you prefer, you could even take out the heel strap and just keep the heel open and let that thing kind of flap around like that. Or you could even connect it to the top up here, kind of keep it out of the way like that. So very cool. Lots of different things that you can do with this shoe. Obviously, it's going to be perfect for the summertime, just wearing around. Take it to the beach, beat it up. Absolutely lots of tread over here on the sole too. So kind of a more sporty sandal if that's something you're into, or something you need something for a theme park, something that's not going to, tear your feet up. I want to talk about not getting your feet tore up, because they've spent a lot of time building up these straps, and the back of the strap feels really, really good, and the inside as well has that really slick kind of nylon feel. Really, really nice. Has this weird logo right here on the side. I'm not really sure what that is. Looks like 2 upside down Nike swooshes. But yeah, Balenciaga sandals. I will have all the information on where to get these on the Discord. I did get these from a independent distributor, and a very good one at that, one that you're gonna want the information for. So make sure you're popping over to the Discord where all of that will be posted. Let's move on over to the next couple of boxes here. Make sure my camera doesn't die here. Lots of tape, got the double box, so you know that the box inside is gonna be absolutely perfect. Shoo, getting a workout in. There's one corner, there's the other one. Very nice. Let's get her open here. Voila. Perfect. Man, 2 for 2 on the boxes, sliding out nice and easy. Don't usually work out like that. This is gonna be them cool grays. Very nice Jordan sneaker. Suede, white, black with hints of yellow. Very, very nice. Metallic silver there on the back. Classic pull tab. Got the Jordan, and the flight is going to be in yellow here on the tongue. Comes stock with gray laces. If you want, I think a black swap of laces would be super sick in here. Here's a little surprise item I got. These are from Will. Man, super nice. Got an arrow here, whatever that is. Man, this thing feels really, really good. Really, really nice shoe. Put it right here. I've done this one before, but this one's really nice. And suede just feels really good. Nice white midsole, and just a little bit of spice with that yellow right there. Looks like some Prada shades here as well. I'm gonna hold off on those, and we're just gonna pop this other box real quick just to make sure that it is another cool gray. And if so, we'll check out the glasses. All right. Okay. Little bit of work there, but I mean, I'd rather have to fight the box and the shoe come out absolutely perfect than get it and it be all destroyed. Yep, it is. Same exact thing. This one in a 9.5 this time. And it's going to be looking just as nice. Let me just give it a quick rundown. Yeah, really, really nice shoe. I'm busting a sweat over here. Super sick. You can see it has that yellow Air Jordan right there on the tongue as well. So super duper sick. We are getting low on the battery, so let's check out these glasses, call it a day. If you need these sick Balenciaga sandals, super durable, gonna last you a super duper long time. I think there is a few different colors available as well, so if that's something you're after, do it. You're not gonna regret it. I've been having a lot of people